I thought it worth explaining that this film was shot a couple of weeks ago before the official lockdown actually kicked in. So I thought I'd better explain that. We went down and we self-isolated. We took everything with us so we didn't disturb anybody or come in contact with. Didn't do their local economy any good, but we were safe. So I thought perhaps it's best to explain that. We're actually home now, we're self-isolating with all you guys. Not a lot of fun, is it really? But anyway, it is what it is and we have to put up with it, we have to stay safe. This is the road that we stay in, normally packed with cars parked on both sides despite the yellow lines. Let's go and have a look around the harbour.